I believe it. Yeah, we're 43rd. Drop it off with Nico. Oh, you got the alley. I should be able to turn in that alley, no, with the trailer. You gotta, I'm gonna need a body though, right? Yeah. No, I'm working, but the truck that I normally have, the spare truck, is getting worked on. There's some wiring and shit going on with it. No, that one I don't know, but I'll get the regular truck at night. Actually, Juanito gets off at 5. So right around 5, like after 5, I can go get it. What time is this guy open till? Yeah, with the flatbed, it'll be easier. Yeah, and then on top of that, my winch is probably like, it'll pull once because I have such a small battery. It'll probably just pull, it's good for one pull, and then I have to push it after that. No, they ain't hit me nothing. No, I'll hit him up though. Yeah. Well, you said it's 43rd. Call it 43rd to 5. Shit, just so my boy won't trip, like 150. Yeah. Yeah, after 5. Yes. Yeah. How soon is it going to Chris's? Oh, okay, got it. Yeah. Yeah, for sure. Yeah. Copy. Yes, sir. Okay. All right, brother. Thank you. I just don't get tired of looking at this thing, man. Freaking car. Got cheated. Car came out on his ass. Damn it.